Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. I am so excited to be a brand new member of the Paper Rose Studio design team. I have my first box for the month of January, and so I wanted to bring you along and show you everything that I received. Now, my assignment this month is to work with the Vintage Rose collection, which I'm super excited about because that collection was already on my wish list. So I'm going to move these things to the side and show you what I have here. The first thing I have are the Vintage Rose Quick Cards die cuts. There's 4 sheets of 6x8 embossed pop-out die cuts, and there's 4 designs, one sheet of each. And what I love about Paper Rose are these embossed die cuts. Can you see the shimmer and shine on these? So we've got some punch out florals here. It's kind of hard to see the embossed images on the camera, but in person it is just gorgeous. I love that camera. I've got quite a few different sentiments here, so these will be really easy to pop out and put as my focal point on a card. So I've got these. Let's take a look at some of the other items that I received. Along that same line, the embossed die cuts, I do have the Vintage Rose embossed die cuts. Again, there's 4 sheets of the 6x8 size in here. And so I will just quickly show you these. They just pop out. They're really easy to pop out. They've got little chads on the sides. Look at these gorgeous designs. We've got books and a bicycle and a camera and like that vintage phone. So pretty. I've got these upside down. Let me flip this over. Here's another bike and quite a few floral arrangements there. Here's a stack of books, lots of florals. And again, each image has that embossed look. Look at that camera. More books and more florals. So these are going to be so pretty on scrapbook pages, cards, an art journal. I mean, you can use these for anything. All right, and then let's go ahead and look at the paper collection. So this is called Vintage Rose. It's the 12x12 paper collection. There's 12 double-sided pattern papers. There's 2 each of 12 designs, and it's 200 GSM paper. What I love is on the front cover, the back of the front cover, you have all these cut apart sentiments. So again, you can use these to pop these on a card, so nothing is wasted. Then these are in order by letters. So this is just Paper Rose, Vintage Rose, paper A. And then there's the back side. So pretty. Here's Vintage Rose, paper B. Gorgeous floral design. We've got some polka dots on the back. Vintage Rose, paper C. I love these books. I already have something in mind that I want to do with those books. Here's the back side. Then we've got Vintage Rose, letter D. Gorgeous, gorgeous flowers. Ooh, and look at this wood grain. Super pretty. Vintage Rose, paper E. Oh my goodness, I love all of this. And look at the stripes. Vintage Rose, paper F. And this is so pretty. It's got the books. It's got the camera. The backside's gorgeous. And then we start all over again. So you get 2 of each sheet. All right, so let me set this to the side and also bring in the next paper collection that coordinates with this. And it is called the Vintage Rose Basics. It's a 12x12 paper collection. It does come in smaller sizes, but I got the 12x12 size. There's 12 double-sided pattern papers, again, 2 of each of the 12 designs. So on the back of this front cover, let me flip this over. There's also more cut-aparts with different sentiments on here. So you could cut both of these apart and have tons of sentiments. Here we've got a cut-apart sheet. This is called Vintage Rose Basics Paper A. And a gorgeous floral wreath on the back. This is paper B. I love that lined paper with the florals on the side. Then we've got a pattern on the back. Paper C. Really vintage florals looking here. We've got a stripe on the back. I really like that stripe. Pattern paper D. Now this one has lots of tags, and I was really surprised when I flipped this over. The back isn't more tags. It's a solid sheet here with polka dots on it. Here's a grid design. This is paper E. And then more florals on the back. So these are meant to kind of mix in with the regular collection. This is paper F. So I find that the basics paper is a little more toned down than the main paper. And then we start back all over again. Again, 2 of each of the 12 designs. All right, there's a couple other things that I received in my design team box that I wanted to show you. I will have links to all the products listed down below in the description box in case you're interested. I got this Love You die, and it's got the inside die and the shadow. Here's what it looks like when it's cut out on the back, and I thought this would be really pretty for either some Valentine cards, like slimline cards, or even it's big enough to go on a scrapbook page. I love that. And then I have been wanting this. I've been seeing this. This is called the Paper Rose All Occasion Sentiment Sheets, and this is in the black and white. There's 12 sheets in here, and they've got all kinds of cut apart sentiments. So we've got several sheets in the white. So this one has like get well soon, feel better soon, with sympathy. I mean, it's got all kinds of things. And then this one, Happy New Year, April Fools, Happy Halloween, congratulations. And then we've got thank you, thanks, so thankful for you, thanks a bunch, you rock. And then the designs repeat, so it's the same sentiments, but on the black with the white writing. And so, yeah, these are exactly the same as the white. And so you get 2 each of the 6 designs. And so some more of the sentiments on here. Happy birthday, friend. Congratulations on your new job. We've got best of luck. Congratulations on your new home. Wishing you a fabulous day. I mean, these are great. Wishing you a wonderful day. Cheers. I mean, you've got every single thing covered. So all you do is just cut these apart. So that is super, super fun. So that is a look at the all occasion sentiment sheets. And you'll have to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Be sure you are following me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to see all the creations that I make with this month's design team box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!